Hello, welcome to Twist Fashion. Today I'm going to be making a felt hat that doesn't need to be on a hat block. This is already a stiffened felt hood. What you will need is one hood, needle and thread, maybe some clips or pins to keep your design in place, and a hairband or hair elastic. So we're going to start off, and obviously some scissors, by cutting this hood in half. So I'm going to swash it down. Find the middle. Doesn't matter if it's not totally accurate. But what we want is the curved bit that sits on the head. You might have thought with a hood you use the whole thing and sit that like a cloche hat. This is a different method. So I'm just going to cut it in half. And this is already stiffened as well. It's very thick felt, so it's not your ordinary felt. I suppose you could try it with felt and stiffen it, but this is pre-stiffened, and this is exactly for the use of millinery. Easy for me to say, actually. I'll go off the tag. So I got these from the trimming company. So that will sit on your forehead, just above your eyebrow. And also you need to even this off because that's a bit jagged. So if you're new here, just to let you know, I do videos weekly and upload them on a Sunday. So please do subscribe if you'd like to see more of these. And also maybe let me know in the comments if there's anything you'd like me to film that is along the DIY lines. But yes, they're mainly millinery videos. Right, so just to make that nice and straight, and then you can start shaping it. Good. Roll it in, fold it back on itself. It's handy now if you had a mannequin head. Yeah, so just play around with it. So to get this shape, all I've done is folded it near enough in half and then back on itself. I'm just going to clip that into place, and this is when I would sew on the hairband or elastic, and also sew this together. Then I've decided to use some lovely peacock feathers, because I love how it picks up the cobalt blue in the middle. So I'm going to, once it's stitched together, I'm going to place these and obviously glue them in there like so. So I'll show you what it all looks like finished and on the model in a minute. But I hope you found this video useful, and thank you for watching. Please give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Take care. Bye.